In the examination section for university, what is the functioning is to be known to every teacher, because any university, it may be state university, it may be public university, it may be private university, or it may be central university, without help or without cooperation of the teacher, examinations cannot go ahead, because examination is of what? Examination is of the knowledge of student given by the teacher. So, teacher knows what he given to the students. So, teacher has to decide how to judge the students. To understand the examinations system or section, I will quote an example of the Pune University. In the Pune University, there are 7 subsections in the examination section. First one is the coordination, second one is a strong room, third one is the scrutiny and tabulation, fourth one is the go down section, fifth one is the certificate section, sixth one is the revaluation section, and seventh one is the barcode section. The names in the other universities may be different for these subsections, but for any university this kind of work is there. Every university examinations have same pattern. So, same functioning is there. In the some of the universities, they may not call at the coordination section, they may have another name for that section, but functionings are same. What is coordination section? In the coordination section, planning of the examination, we may call that as a pre-examination work. Pre-examination works means designing the schedule of the examination for whole academic year, making the timetables, appointing the paper setter and examiner, appointing the senior supervisor, appointing the vigilance squad. This kind of pre-examination work is done at the coordination section. When I said defining the schedule or designing the schedule and publishing the schedule, if you go to any university act, you will find that in the act itself, it is mentioned that examination schedules are to be declared by the university before the commencement of academic year. What does it mean? Suppose now we are in academic year 1920. It means before commencement of academic year 1920, suppose the academic year is started in the June 19. It means before June 19, exam schedules are to be declared. What does it mean by exam schedule? Exam schedules means date of filling the examination form without late fee, with late fee, commencement of exam, declaration of date of result, what are the fees, when the practical examinations are going on, all that schedule for the October exam, that is first half of the year, and April exam, that is second half of the year, is to be declared before the commencement of academic year. It means students or teachers will come to know when my exams are going to be. That means student or teachers can plan their teaching learning process, when we want to start the learning, when I want to go for teaching, when we can plan our extracurricular activities. For to design all such a academic schedule of the student and the teacher, exam schedule is the most important thing. I really thankfully insisted this point in this topic, because everyone should know academic schedule or examination schedule of the universities is always published before the commencement of academic year. So, student and teachers come to know, or they can plan even their own family plans also. If they want to go somewhere around the country or for tourism, then they should know when the exams are, when it will be finished. They can plan their family functions, tours, or even academic calendar well in advance at the time of starting the academic year. So, declaration of schedule, after that declaration of timetable. Timetable means on which day, at what time, which paper will take place. After that, the next work which I listed in the coordination is the appointment of examiner. then appointment of paper setters, senior supervisor, all this work is done at the coordination section. The next section which I said is a strong room. It may little bit look funny, strong room how it can be a section, but you may be aware strong rooms are there in the bank. In the bank, all the money or gold, jewelry, whatever it may be, is kept in the strong room. As for bank, the money with them or the gold with them is a most topmost priority which is to be kept in the strong room. Similarly, for the examination system, question paper is the top confidential material. So, taking the question paper set from paper setter, issuing to the printer, getting back from printer and issuing to the exam center, this kind of confidential work and top priority confidential work is done at the strong room. That is why in the university you cannot find the lockers like bank, but that kind of confidential work is there, and so it is called as strong room section. Then third section is a scrutiny and tabulation section. So, scrutiny and tabulation, it looks funny how it can be a name of the any department, but as I said I am a statistician, I know importance of the scrutiny and tabulation.